swing. And I'm totally comfortable. That's why they need to make it. Close your eyes and take you back.
This is Sean.
Infancy.
He's in the hammock and he's loving life. Is that right, Sean?
That's right. Very comfortable.
Just got in. He thinks this is the greatest thing ever.
Yeah, I love swinging in
I want
it.
to go back there and I wish the vanilla in the bottom of it.
We got the ball pumped up. We are ready for volleyball time. Hi.
Hi.
What's up, ladies?
We're just hanging out,
Having a
getting
snowy.
some sun, loving it.
Loving it. Love you.